Hi, welcome to my channel. It has been a while that I haven't created any new tutorial on this channel, and today I'm going to start with a brand new series with Angular. And now we start with creating a new Angular project. How to do that? Using VS Code. I assume that you have already installed Angular in your project. If not, see some of my video. Then what we need to do is, first we navigate through the directory where you want to create our projects. Then we write ng new. Then our project's name will be Angular 201, and we type enter. Then what is going to follow here are some of the options that we want to add to our projects, how we want to customize it, like the CSS, routings, and some other stuffs. So yeah, depending on how fast your computer is, you will also get executed that fast. But for now, you have to be patient. Okay, we are there in the next step. Then it's asking for the CSS. You can navigate with the arrow key if you want to go like choose a CSS. We can navigate the down key of our keyboard. Now we move up and we want to use the CSS. So it's that default, we type enter, and then it's asking, do you want to enable server-side rendering and static generations? We just take the default, type enter, no. Then, yeah, it's creating now, it's installing the packages, npm packages in our projects and creating our default components, the app components, and other files. They have been generated. It's moving on. It may take some time depending on your PC configurations. Then, yeah, while this thing is being generated now, we can go to the directory where our project is created. It is here. We can see that here is our folder, which is created. We can also copy this path here. If we copy this path here, we could also move here in open the folder. We can open the folder here, tap here, paste the path, and then this is our projects folder, this one. I've opened here. It's asking the first time that you open it, do you trust the author of this parent folder? If you want, you check. Then if you don't know, and then yeah, depending on your configuration. So that one set, we can go back to our terminal here and see, is there any problem? No problem is there. And we can see here everything that have been created. No, outline, timeline. So here is our project which is created here. So the next thing that we have to do now is to navigate into, here we are inside our projects. We are already there inside. Then we have to start to launch our project using ng-save. ng-save here, you may wonder like, okay, where is the web server? You don't need to install web server because by default, Angular is bundled with that built-in ng-save web server that we use to test our applications. This one will not be perfect for productions, but at least for the development, this is what we are using. So we type ng-save. Okay, when I type ng-save, it's not running because when we try to open the folder, then we interrupted the installations of npm server. So what we have to do now is to finish the installations of the packages, npm install. Now it is resuming the installations of the remaining packages. Still been installed. Yeah, as we can see now, all the package have been finally installed. The remaining 915 packages were installed. Now, no vulnerability found. We can now launch our applications using ng-save. As I said earlier, ng-save is the default built-in applications. Default is the built-in web server that comes with Angular. Is used for development purposes. So what is happening now is taking some time to start. It's building. Yeah, it is going. Now, after the build is finished, we can see here that it has launched, and now we can locally access our applications under this URL port 4200. We go there, and let's go to the browser. If we type that, and it will take some time. 200. What is happening? Again, somehow I type enter and stop everything. Sorry. Let us run it again. This time will be the best. It is up and running. Let's go. For the first time, it just take longer to load. But the next time that we are going to do this one, it will take slightly less time. And bam, you are there. So here is our newly created applications. You can see that our application is there and running. We can come here to here's the index, is the root, and here is our default component. Here is our default components here. So if we come here and try to write something, Congratulations, you are running. Yes, that was great. So if you just write something like this and save it, we can see that the change is detected and it's been rebuilt. You can see, yeah, bam, here is what we have just changed now. So that's all for today in this tutorial. Stay tuned for the next tips. Bye.